The location of the apartment was excellent. The size was very good, because there were 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, a kitchen and a living room. But there are some things which could be improved very easy.
Communication with hosts patchy and not consistent. They told us the morning of our arrival that they needed a copy of our identity papers with a photo, and that we could not enter the property without them.
Spacious apartment, clean, good comfy beds, 2 bathrooms was a bonus for a family of 4. Quality furnishings and good carpets, well decorated, very safe and secure. Traveling time to attractions was short on the tube.
It was all a bit orderly. Waiting for an email on the day, then picking up the keys from a box in the wall, walking round the corner to an anonymous doorway in a side alley. We climbed 6 flights of stairs and then entered a dusty-smelling apartment fitted out in retro 90s chic.
The place is plenty roomy, and it was perfect for what we needed. We were 2 couples staying for 3 days.
Could have done with more than just a HDMI cable out of the TV. Although there was a flat screen TV, it was not hooked up to any TV service provider. Also no wireless internet, which meant that if you want to watch the TV you have to rely on your mobile data. Accommodation was basic.